They say Niger Delta militants. They say they don't join the struggle and can demand for Nnamdi Kalu release. No be small thing o, as that one dey happen o. They say if you see as a Fulani herdsmen, they carry more than 25 people for inside one bus for Enugu side. Carry them go inside bush. And only one person run comot for inside that particular bus. This dey happen for inside Enugu. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Oh, hello my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you come across our video, please share the video and also make sure say you follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We dey here today, they bring you back to back update as it dey hot. No be small thing o. They say that IPOB rejected the demand of Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo that IPOB should be given amnesty. They say IPOB talk say they are not a criminal. Why are Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo talking of amnesty? They are agitators for the independent state of Biafra, which is total freedom of Biafra. So they have nothing to do with amnesty. That Iwanyawu, which is Emmanuel Iwanyawu, who is the President General of Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo, should stop talking of amnesty to IPOB. IPOB also went ahead and said that federal government have pushed them a lot. That this is a government also led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Bola Ahmed Tinubu should take this and release Nnamdi Kalu. They are not looking for amnesty. What they want is a referendum supervised by the UN so that the people will decide where their fate is in Nigeria. So this update is made before the court get it right. So now IPOB is not a kind of people who are protecting oil or community. No, IPOB is seeking for their own nation. So you see where I'm getting Ohanaeze wrong. These people don't want to leave Nigeria. Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo want to remain in Nigeria. If you want to remain in Nigeria, then carry all those your group, go to the north and answer the Ohanaeze of North Ndị Igbo. And leave the people who need their freedom alone. Stop making decision that is not for the people. They are not looking for amnesty. They are looking for total referendum so that people will decide where they belong. Let's quickly jump into the next Ogbonge news where we get for our hand today. They say that the Niger Delta have demand unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kalu and also tell federal government that waiting they take for their place, they go make them no get them again. We will play the video, may you watch, and before we come back and proceed.
Delta, we need Biafrans in Niger Delta. We need freedom in the Niger Delta. Yes. We are tired of Nigeria. Yes. We are tired of Nigeria. Yes. Release Nnamdi Kalu immediately, yes, or there shall be more destruction in this country. Yes. We need the freedom of Niger Delta. Yes. We don't have development in our place. We don't have roads, no infrastructures. The leaders are there collecting the money. They did not empower anybody. We, the youths, are suffering, and we are under General Woto, and we will support him to fight until we gain the freedom. Biafrans in Niger Delta, we need freedom in the Niger Delta. Yes. We are tired of Nigeria. Yes. We are tired of Nigeria. Yes. Release Nnamdi Kalu immediately, yes, or there shall be more destruction in this country. Yes. We need the freedom of Niger Delta. Yes. We don't have development in our place. We don't have roads, no infrastructures. The leaders are there collecting the money. They did not empower anybody. We, the youths, are suffering, and we are under General Woto, and we will support him to fight until we gain the freedom.
Yeah, my wonderful people, please, I'm going to post this video on our space, so you can watch the full video there. And please, you can watch the full video there. I will bring it down a little bit because of TikTok, Facebook, and all these platform wahala. My people, Sean, I don't see there is no other way. If people can't do it alone, even Igbo people self cannot do it alone. We need all Biafrans to wake up. All Biafrans should wake up so that this thing we are talking about, we can get it. Forget about what you have in mind for Igbos, what Igbos have for you. This. No, we don't need it at this point of time. What we need is to come together. When we come together, we can identify our enemies. My people, let's quickly jump into the next Ogbonge news where we get for our hand. They say that the unknown gunmen, unknown gunmen, which is, or they say that the Funani herdsmen, they go carry people for inside Hummer bus. Pack all of them, enter inside bush for inside Enugu side. All these checkpoints waiting there they work. Why they not see them, stop them. However, we will play the video, may you watch, and before we come back and proceed.
Boss, now those kidnappers, they just come my place now they scatter this piece, so they pack all the passenger and carry the driver. Even now, the motor still dey on. Nobody dey inside the motor again. Now peace park they run like this, so they don't park the enter bush self. They no dey again. So you guys, they don't park them come out. Nobody dey inside the motor again. Now so it take happen. Now we still there self. Still there. Now only one passenger escape. The remaining one, boom, pack all of them. No, not the market, so it pass market. It pass market. In here where the express stop. Now that side like that. It don't pass our market yet. It remains more to enter express. How this thing happen? Yes, they close to Umup, but it never reach Umup. They close to Umup. You don't tell where you reach it, you know. They close to Umup, but it never reach Umup. We still dead there, sir. We still dead there. And those soldiers don't come, but they never enter bush.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch this video, ESN should also intervene in this thing, because these people in that bus are also our people. The Biafrans should also take note and fight against this all these things. Maybe they carry people, they enter inside bush for inside our land. We're not supposed to see them. You guys can do it. Okay, my people, please share this video and let us know what you think about this particular video, and let us know what you think about the decision of Niger Deltas to stand for their freedom. Abina, if they can't give them money, they will stop the talk about the freedom again, as usual. What did they do? Okay, my people, please share the video and also let us know your opinion for inside comment section. We will see you for the next update as it dey hot. Don't forget to give us a follow and don't forget to subscribe, because turn your notification bell, because when you do so, you're going to get our update back to back as it dey hot.